Intersections are one of the most dangerous places for young drivers, and getting through them safely is an important aspect of driving. This lesson is about managing intersections with traffic signals or stop signs. Although these signs are there to control traffic, a driver must still be keenly aware of what's going on. You may encounter a driver who doesn't stop for a stop sign, is running a red light, or racing the green. Even when the intersection is controlled by signs or signals, you still need to be on the lookout for hazards. Before we discuss the steps it takes to cross an intersection, we need to discuss a concept called the point of no return. Where this point is depends on the speed your car is traveling. The faster you are traveling, the further this point is from the intersection. That's because this is the point where the driver makes the crucial decision whether or not to continue through the intersection or to make a stop. Be sure to advise your teen driver to slow down as they approach the intersection and scan up ahead for vehicles, pedestrians, or other potential hazards. If all is clear, determine if the light will stay green or if a yellow is about to turn red. At the point of no return, you make your decision to stop or to proceed. If you decide to stop, you stop at the intersections at the legal stop line. If there isn't a line, then stop just before the crosswalk or stop sign. If you decide to proceed through the intersection, you should have already slowed down prior to this point so you can react to anything. Look left, right, left again to make sure you haven't missed any pedestrians stepping into the crosswalk. If there are no pedestrians crossing and there is a safe gap between vehicles to cross, then continue through the intersection. If there are cars crossing the intersection or if the crossing traffic has the right-of-way, bring the car closer to the intersection without blocking traffic. If you are making a turn, you should make your turn from the appropriate legal lane onto the nearest legal lane. Prior to practicing how to cross an intersection, drive through a few controlled intersections and talk through the steps and what you observe. You might also have your teen driver practice going through these steps with scanning in an empty parking lot. Then, when your teen driver is ready for the residential neighborhood, have them practice the controlled intersections while applying good scanning skills. Have them point out potential hazards and explain what they did to avoid them. Just like all driving skills, it takes experience to manage intersections. Be sure your teen feels confident about being on the neighborhood roads before you move on to more high-traffic areas.